This is the another subscriber's question. What the problem he is facing is that, okay, what is happening, we have performed the load flow analysis, but what is the problem he is facing is that when we double click on this cable size and go sizing and phase, it does not give it is optimal size or one smaller size. ETAP is not suggesting any optimal size or a smaller size. That the subscriber wants to know why it happens. The problem is that we can go to when I load. See, in the loading tab, he has considered full load ampere of the element, but for which element? He is not indicating here. And when we click on this, there are bus 1 and bus 2. I will show you 1 minute. This is bus 1 and this is bus 2. He is not indicating which full load amperes. So I can click bus 2 and click OK, and now perform the load flow analysis again, and now double click on the cable size and go to sizing and phase. Now he is giving the optimal size, that is 125 square mm, 83 amperes and 2 runs. This is giving the optimal size. Why he is not giving one smaller size? We can check here. From the maximum smaller size is 25 for this cable. That is why he is not giving one smaller size. Okay, I think the error has been cleared, solved, and thank you.